Alright, so I'm back at it again. Starting issue on this 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo. Put a new starter, new battery. A lot of the starting components are new, but I'm still having this problem starting it. I'm gonna try to start it and let y'all hear this sound. Like I said, once again, the starter's new, battery's new. Check this out. For some reason, it still won't start. So if anybody knows what's going on, can you help me out? No check engine codes. Like I said, starter is brand new. Brand new. Just took it off, had it tested again to make sure they didn't sell me a bad starter. All my grounds are clean. Every ground you could think of on this car is clean. I could not figure this shit out. I'm just getting kind of frustrated. So if anybody can tell me what I should start on next, that'd be helpful. Right on.